Afro-Zion Choir, Psalm 91 vibration, Jah covering, Jah protection. Me dwell under Jah mighty wing, no terror at night can't touch me skin. Arrow in daytime not reach me door. Jah cover me soul forevermore. Under Jah wing, me safe and sound. No evil flourish when him there around. From storm and fear, me heart feel sure. Jah shielding me life forever secure. Pestilence can't walk round my way, no dark shadow can't make me stray. Thousands fall on the right, left side too, but none of them things can trouble me view. Jah promise strong like the rock western. Angel them guard me step on the land. King David said Jah a refuge and stay. Me trust in him word every night and day. Under Jah wing, me safe and sound. No evil flourish when him there around. From storm and fear, me heart feel sure. Jah shielding me life forever secure. Under Jah wing, safe and sound. No evil flourish when him there around. From storm and fear,